think I'm here to play around with y'all? God damn it, I'm not.
Persian floors. Yeah, this NYC shit. Whole lot of that. Yeah, when that guap is low, we hit the field goal, go wide below, shit concealed. The Glock reload, a different feel with the yachts for gold. Shit get real when it's optional, sipping still. Shit could get ugly, the vibe switch to seal. Who mentioned deals? Had some on their table, they crapped out. We was young and know no better, now that shit that we laughed about. Could've been a slave deal, copper whip that we lash out. Shit, every verse is bad, treat the stool like stash house. Peep the bitch, she lurking bad. I give her what she asked about, but I can't give her love unless she make a nigga work for that. My nigga down the ride right, sorting up euphoria for the highs and lows. Need him some diet types, lift the spread. Nigga roll that sticky like some China rice. Told him he more Reno, this is Sunday night. Pacino on the line of white, Carlito ducking Manzanito. Should've saved or take your life. Mission got a nigga trippin', we ain't fucking seeing sight. Serenity told me cars need trilogies. They're a mobster, chopstick in the pasta in Little Italy. Niggas claim they running down, but they ain't do diddly. Oh. Sunset rise when the roof down. Smoke the whole tree, the roof's down. Eating couscous, Cabernet, my fountain youth drown. He rooftop Tupac, nigga, life on the air. The black survival, who bought the plagues.